Agaol Union for the Philippine Taekwondo Association Region 1 Management Committee Upgrading and Graduation and the acceptance ceremony for the Taekwondo Black Belt Brotherhood and Sorority and the Philippine Taekwondo Contingent. May we all welcome the graduating batch of PTC to be followed by the batch 26, the active batch, and the incoming batch of 28. And the next line is the junior TBB-TBS batch 16, the graduating batch, followed by the active batch of batch number 17, and then incoming batch of batch 18. And after that is the TBS batch 36, 37, 38, and the TBB batches 45, 46, and 47.
Nakurang lang, kulang-kulang silang 400.
And again, let's all welcome the batch Junior TBB-TBS batch 16.
Hmm. 6 o'clock nag-umpisa.
To begin, please remain standing for our invocation and the singing of national anthem. Sorry po. Let's all welcome our alumni together with our RMV or Regional Management Committee and our chapter trainers from
Alumni and chapter
followed by our chapter trainers from Ilocos Sur, Sir George Michael C. Amano. From Pangasinan, Carlo Jose Taroya. From Luzon, Marilyn Ferrero.
Surfers talaga.
And from Abra, Sir Godfrey Bermudez. Followed by our training director of TVBPBS, Sir George Philip C. Amano. And our training director for the TTC and Junior TVBPBS, Sir Reggie Macaljan Talavera. Siyempre, mas malakas ang palakpak dito. Let's all welcome our Sir Winston Carrera, Sir Tony Kalugtan, and Sir Glenn Renafor. Wala daw titigil. Ang titigil hindi mag-upgrade. Mag-upgrade. Hanggang makaupo sila.
Ang graduation ng Taekwondo Black Belt Brotherhood and Sorority Philippine Taekwondo Contingent. Graduation, grading, and acceptance ceremony dito sa Don Mariano Marcos State University.
To begin with, please remain standing for our invocation and the singing of national anthem video or the Filipinas Kong Mahal video presentation. Here from the Vice Chairman of PTA R1MC, Dr. Antonio V. Kalingadan.
Hello? Hello? Oh, ano yung nasulat natin? Hello? Hi! Okay. Para mabuhay yung natin, dugo natin. Okay. Actually, before I formally give my remarks, I would like to have a little trivia contest. Okay? Malaki ang premyo. Exception dito, yung mga alumni na, yung mga graduate na, okay, sa TVB program at TBS program. So, handa na ba kayo? 500 pesos bawat tanong. Okay? Okay, 500. So, 1,000 pesos at stake. Unang tanong, the first to answer it correctly, may 500 pesos. Kailan nagsimula o anong taon unang nagsimula ang TVB program sa Region 1? Takbo!
1913 sa mo.
Mana?
Zaidira Belud 7. Sinjang Taekwondo Club.
Wow, sinjang.
Wrong.
2001.
Wrong.
Ferguson po. 1980.
Oh. Another one. Last one. Okay, Alexandra got it right, my 500. Okay.
2002, simula ang
So, yung preview po mga kaibigan, nagsimula ang PBB training sa
tapos
Region
cash ka
1.
gago.
Tatlo lang kaming first batch na natitira dito. Si Sir Glenn, si Sir Winston. We graduated 2004, but our training started 2002. Hindi pa kayo pinapanganak. Okay. Pangalawang tanong, trivia question. Kailan nagsimula ang unang taon ng PTC or RPTC training sa Region 1? Bilis! Kailan? Okay. Bilis? Wala? Any guess? Kailan unang nagsimula o anong taon unang nagsimula ang RPTC or BTC training sa region?
2004.
Wrong. Okay. Isa pa?
Yan, Mrs. 2008 po.
2008. Wrong.
Jason po, 2004.
Wrong.
Kay Bong.
Last two guesses. Dalawang guesses pa. Oh, para may magkikreate tayo ng awareness.
2003.
Wrong. Okay, hirit na. Sirit na. RPTC, the original name is RPTC, Regional Philippine Training Contingent, which was later on changed to PTC, Philippine Training Contingent. Started 2005 sa Region 1. Okay? One of the product of this training program is no less than our Olympian Bosa Oli. Okay? Palakpakan natin. Now, first batch, PTC, kindly move forward to be recognized. Mr. Mona. Okay. Ito. Maliit pa si Mr. Mona noon. Nagtitraining na. Ang unang training ground or training center, regional training center ay sa Aboco mismo. Sa Marcos Sports Center. Palakpakan natin si Sir. Okay. So with that, at least nakakreate tayo ng awareness on the PTC, PBB, and TDS program. Our dear Chairman, Sir Glenn Benefit, sir, okay, Pastor Winston Carrera, and the other members of the RMC Region 1, Sir Reggie McCarl Talavera, the newly installed member of the RMC Region 1, for your information and for the information of everyone. The two training directors who are the man of the hour today, Sir Dr. Philip Amano and Sir Reggie McCarr. This is that. Very, very nice. The chapter training directors or coordinators. Okay, please stand. Pangasinan, we have CJ Daroya. Ilocos, we have George Michael Amano. La Union, Master Mariolel Molina Ferratero. Abra, sa Abra. Godfrey Bermudez, Master Godfrey Bermudez. Sino ba yung hindi natin na-mention dyan para hindi ako magkasala? Please, you can take your seat. We have also a guest official here in the person of Mr. Jong, kasi ang pangalan niya kasi mas sikat yung palayaw eh. Okay? Jong Eliera Perez, who is a training director of the TBB-TBS of Region 2. Okay? And now, an official member of the PTA Region 1. Okay? Yan, si Sir Jong. We have one of the senior alumni here in the person of Master Mel Brian Tortosa, who's joining the Quran set. Okay. My dear parents, graduating TBB TBS, to be upgraded TBB TBS, graduating PTC, to be upgraded PTC, and the newly accepted PTC TBB TBS. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Mga parents, mga bisita, at mga kaibigan na nandito sa programa natin ngayon. Now, officially, I am welcoming you to the La Union Taekwondo chapter, the La Union province, the town of Agoo, the campus of the Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University, which serves as the training ground, the center for the training ground of, and the home of TBB, TBS, and PTC. Palakpakan natin itong mga nabanggit ko. Kasi ulat sa Paul, mula noong 2002, sinimulan na namin ang training dito. Wala pa kayo. Yung first batch ng TBB-TBS, together with the CAR, Cordillera Administrative Region and Region 2, used to train here in this peaceful and tranquil campus. Ang pinakamaganda sa Agoo is the town is peaceful and strategic in location. Different provinces meet in this province and in this town, and it serves as a gateway to Baguio City. Pati yung Cordillera, palagi dito, pati Region 2, nakarating na dito. Grandmaster Son Chung Hong and the senior TBB-TBS from Manila have already visited this place during the ceremony like this, upgrading, graduation, and acceptance. So, I am very glad to see that the volume and the number of participants taking part in the PTC TBB-TBS program of the Philippine Taekwondo Association is getting bigger and bigger. This is very significant because PTC program, the TBB and TBS serves as a show window of the Philippine Taekwondo Association. Without PTC, without TBB and TBS program, we cannot form one solid family, one unique organization who have one mind. So yun ang battle cry natin. One mind, one family, one unique organization. Year after year, this makes and binds us stronger and stronger. Without TBB, TBS, and PTC, we cannot build and develop leaders to manage and to continue the administration of the PTA program. Likewise, without PTC, without TBB, TBS, we cannot produce international champions and world champions as such. So, my dear parents, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta nyo sa mga anak ninyo. Kung wala kayo, wala ang PTC. Kung wala kayo, wala ang TVD, wala ang TBS. At hindi ganito kalakas ang Philippine Taekwondo Association. With this, I formally welcome each and everyone, particularly to this very peaceful and tranquil place, the Agoo Tennis Club. Okay, palakpakan natin ang Agoo Tennis Club. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Sir Kalikdan. Now, the moment of our candidates have been waiting for. May I call on Sir Reggie McColgan Vita Lavera and Sir George Philip Amano, our training directors, for the presentation of candidates for upgrading and graduation.
Good evening to my fellow alumni of this program, to our RMCs, chapter trainers, and to the active batches. Presentation of Dr. May I present? The PPC batch 26. Please stand up. 5 batch PTC 26 and PTC batch 27, 65 participants. Next is Junior PPB and TBS batch 17, 7 participants. I'm happy to present to you the active batches and recommended for their upgrading.
To the members of the RMC, active batches, dear parents, guests, good evening. It is my pride and honor to present the candidates for upgrading for TBB batch 46, stand up, and TBS batch 37. We have 9 TBB 46 and 2 TBS 37 ready for upgrading.
Congratulations.
And furthermore, I'm proud to present to you the candidates for the graduation of Junior TVB batch 16. There are 3 candidates named Juliano Michael Bayo, Jeddah Lexa Antonio, and Richard Alan Tapaxi.
I would like also to present the candidates for graduation for TBB batch 45 and TBS batch 36. Kurt Aquino, Edwin Dave Aspre, Adi Martin, John Lee Santiago, Francis Alabag, Justin Alfred Romero, Christian Sabado. TBS 36, Benny Claire M. Piamonte, Maria Eltea Bananya, Jocelyn Bautista. Sir Glenn, for your confirmation.
May request my colleague in the RNC to stand up. By the authority vested in us by the Philippine Taekwondo Association and with the recommendation of your training directors. The candidates for the PTC TVB is now accepted for formal training. Junior batch upgraded to senior batch. And senior batch, you're hereby declared graduates of the course Taekwondo Black Belt Brotherhood and Sorority Program.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Likewise, the Philippine Training Contingent candidates, you are formally accepted for the training program.
Congratulations.
Junior batch upgraded to mid batch.
Congratulations. Sir.
Mid batch upgraded to senior batch. And senior batch, you are hereby declared graduates of the training course Philippine Taekwondo Contingent Program. Thank you.
And congratulations, Ines Bunso.
To formally